Rapid intensification is expected
to make landfall with Category 4 intensity.
The intensification of Ian.
The center of Hurricane Ian as a Category 4.
Hello and welcome to, I guess, my hurricane vlog. I just thought I'll bring you with right here, right now. It is currently Monday, September 29th, and the hurricane is supposed to make landfall in a couple of days, so we are actually on our way to the grocery store to grab some more last minute things. So I just thought I'll bring you with and see how this entire week plays out with the hurricane.
Then it comes over the Gulf of Mexico, very warm waters up to a Category 4, winds of 140.
I know it's a little dirty. It was raining not too long ago, but we basically cleaned out everything in the back to have it hurricane safe. Everything, yep, right here is hurricane safe to make sure nothing is flying away. We have some other kind of chairs like stuck in the back right there. I can hear my neighbors to my left literally cleaning up at the moment as well to have everything hurricane ready to go. Don't know about these, just gonna leave them there. Hopefully they'll stay there. Also, super funny story, we literally have chairs inside the pool because heard it's super safe to keep things inside the pool, so this is really funny because they're just peeking out, and yeah, just thought I'd share. We literally just got a warning on our phone that we're under a hurricane warning. I was in the bathroom getting ready for stream, and everybody's phones was just going off, and I thought we were under like a tornado or something, even though it's not like storming or anything. I like grabbed my phone and I ran before even like looking at my phone, and then as soon as I looked, it was a hurricane warning, so not tornado, but still kind of scary.
The core, it's not just about the rain, it's not just about all of that. A lot of times there's a big tornado risk that goes along with it, and that actually happens quite a bit kind of far away from where you would normally.
Hurricane Ian is almost a Category 5. We're just 1 mile per hour away from Hurricane Ian being a Category 5.
It is currently Wednesday, September 28th. And it's starting to get very windy. It's been raining all night long, and I think the hurricane's supposed to make landfall in like an hour. I'll keep you guys updated. I look like a lion. I'm getting ready for stream. I'm gonna try it out. It is 1 p.m. and I'm getting ready to stream because I doubt I'll be able to stream later. got really windy. Yeah, I think it's like 6:30 p.m. and it's only supposed to get worse from this point on. I had to cancel stream because we have no internet. Tower is surprisingly still on, and it's starting to get darker. Bus. Oh, I don't think so. Like the tornado? I don't think so. What I thought. We're just waiting it out, watching if there's any like tornado warnings nearby and stuff like that. We surprisingly still have power. I am literally wearing long sleeve because it was so cold outside. Power has been going off and on, and internet has been going off and on. It's been really weird. I've been playing Animal Crossing. We've just been watching movies and just waiting out the storms and watching it. So update is currently 9 p.m. Winds are still getting stronger. Our pool is definitely filling up. Not really draining at the moment. Also kind of hard to see exactly how far it's filled up. I don't know what I'm filming, but I'm filming everything. Yep, me too. Oops. As you can see right here, we found a little lake. Do you guys see that? It's literally dripping down. Wonderful. And it's going all the way down the window and on the ground. I don't know how long this has been there. I just heard dripping from across the room. And it's just, yeah, dripping everywhere. Fun.
It's your cables.
That is my cables for my stream stuff, yes.
We have to unplug these ones.
Mm-hmm. Oh, those are wet too. That is not fun. We have been intensely watching our pool floaties in the pool because every like 10 minutes or so they change positions. And I think one of the pool floaties, which is one of my favorite, the flamingo looking one, it's got this cute little glasses. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that one's broken because we have an aloe vera plant and they're spiky and the head is literally on it, and yeah, it looks flat. But like every 5 minutes all like the floaties switch positions, and it's actually really funny to watch. I ended up just sitting in the living room, and my orange slice, which you probably remember, literally went flying like so many feet up in the air, and yeah, it's quite funny. Hello, I am on my way outside. It is currently like 10 a.m. I think I got sleep at like 5 or 6 a.m. It was really hard for me to fall asleep. The wind got really crazy last night. I think at like 2 a.m. it got pretty bad until probably like 5 a.m. So I'm about to head outside and see kind of like what damages happened. Oh yeah, it's raining still. I am literally wearing a jacket. It is, they say 70 degrees outside, but I be getting cold at 70 degrees. Look at this. And it only gets worse on that side. It looks like it's coming our way. And then we have some area that isn't flooded yet. And then on the other side, it starts getting floody again. Right there. I think our nearby ponds and lakes have definitely flooded, and that's where all this water is coming from. Hi!
Is your house okay?
Yeah, only the fence from the pool.
Oh, okay.
Bird cage.
Oh no. Bye. Looks like the flooding is coming from the pond and it's literally filling up the streets. It is currently a Friday. And we're just trying to see how far we can walk. Not really that far. Still kind of like all the roads are closed due to flooding. Looking around to see how the flooding is looking like. It's gone down quite a bit, but it's definitely still there. It keeps getting deeper and deeper still the like further we go. So that's fun. All the roads are closed too. Words from this point on, add to cancel.